At hello mga ka-325 natin dyan, it's me again, 325 Years Vlog, Lord Official. For today's video is maaga tayong papasok mga ka-325 dahil 6 AM yung ating schedule mga ka-325. At the same time may pasok din si Commander, and these days may helmet na siya para hindi tayo mahuli or maabala sa daan mga ka-325. Kung meron mang nahuli dyan is dire-diretso na tayo dahil kompleto na tayo mga ka-325. At siya nga pangala mga ka-325 is yung upload natin na reels yesterday mga ka-325. Wednesday is 14,000 views na siya, and then yung sa Sabado is yung day off na upload ko is nasa 24,000 views na siya mga ka-325. So shout out kay Nep TV, maraming salamat sa iyong pag-share sa 325 dahil sa iyo is dumami yung views natin, and then dumadagdig yan mga yung followers natin. Meron naman nadadagdag kahit paunti-unti. Sabi niya dahan-dahan lang tayo mga 325. Kung sino yung gusto sumuporta dyan, supportahan nyo na ako mga ka-325 at saka si Nep TV at saka yung mga kaibigan natin dyan. Shoutout sa inyong lahat na sumusuporta sa akin. Yeah. Sabi ko nga, lahat ng pangarap natin hindi natin makuha sa mabilisan yan. Kunin natin sa mabagalan. Basta meron kang determinasyon at mag-focus ka lang sa iyong ginagawa. Kung ano man yan, sigurado pagdating ng panahon is merong resulta na maganda yan mga ka-325. Basta nasa puso yung ginagawa mo at sipagin mo lang mga 325. Wala naman mawawala, lahat ng taong maasa sa buhay sa masipag lahat yan mga yan. Shoutout po sa inyong lahat mga 325. Yun lang, basta galaw-galaw, kilo sa araw-araw lang tayo mga 325 hanggang may mapala tayo. Sabi nga mga 325, lahat ng bagay ay hindi nakuha sa mabilisan. Kunin natin sa mabagalan dahil lahat ng pangarap mo ay hindi makuha sa isang minuto, sa isang oras, sa isang araw, sa isang buwan, sa isang taon. 3 to 5 years from now mga ka-325, dapat may mga resulta ka lagi sa iyong mga ginagawa, and mag-focus ka lang, manalig ka lang sa iyong dedikasyon mga ka-325. Maraming salamat and enjoy watching sa papasok. Happy Thursday to all of you. Ingat po lagi and God bless. Yeah.
She's got some nice long hair, and you know that she's a bad chick. All the boys stare, can't help it, it's a habit. Clothes that she wears, short skirt and a jacket. I just wanna get her all alone on a mattress. I just wanna have it, I just gotta have it. Rumors all around say her body is fantastic. All natural, not a piece of rubber's plastic. Head to her toes, Yeah, they say that she's a latch. Yeah, the whispers all around say she has a reputation. Don't believe it till I see it, so I want a demonstration. And I've always learned it better with a hands-on education. So I need a private session if you get what I'm saying. And they say that she's not easy, no, she's really complicated. And that only makes it better, and it's got me so fixated. And I'm not the type to wait around, I've never hesitated. But she's got me captivated, so the game I'm gonna play it, yeah. Got a body like an ocean, keep the party going. Got me feeling lonely, I want that body, baby, show me. She got a body like an ocean, she likes to keep the party going. Got me feeling lonely, I want that body, baby, show me. When you're undressed, I heard you like to get away, I heard you like to stay out late, I heard you had a couple boyfriends, I heard they didn't treat you right, I heard you're hated by your girlfriends, cause all the guys want you tonight. Yeah, they say she's too hot, they say she's too cold, where she came from nobody really knows. They say she looks young, they say she acts old. From everything I've heard, she gets out of control. And all the boys say she was sent from the heavens, but I'm not too sure that this girl is a blessing. She's got the devil's eyes and they'll cut you like a weapon. She's stuck in my mind like a bad obsession. Got bad intentions, she got a body like an ocean, keep the party going. Got me feeling lonely, I want that body, baby, show me. She got a body like an ocean, she likes to keep the party going. Got me feeling lonely, I want that body, baby, show me. Yeah, I spit raps like a heart attack, fast fatal heart impact, past painful scars. In fact, I blast tasteful bars and packs. I back up my actions back, don't ask, grab reactions, jacked attack with every word and act with class as they hear me snap. I got nothing to lose, cause I fought and felt the bruise. Now I'm not the one confused, call the shots and they produce. I ain't lost, I'm finally loose, pick a new silver excuse. I need the views to boost me to a new abuse of being used. Everybody wants a piece now, dog rest in peace. Now you're dead to me, so peace out. Remember you're just freaked out, get ready for defeat now. I'm gonna make you bleed out, listen on repeat now and weed out all the weak now. Get up and make a change, don't remember yesterday. If you got something to say, speak your mind before your grave, cause your life is yours to save. Ain't nobody gonna change, everybody stays the same. So be different, make a name, huh?
I keep on moving forward, always getting closer, marching till it's over, and just like a soldier, I keep on moving forward, always getting closer, I'm marching till it's over, just like a soldier, I keep on moving forward, always getting closer, marching till it's over.
Saying this meticulous and limitless, while others out there spitting shit got hits up on the charts and shit. I see why other artists quit, cause people don't reward good shit. They love to hate but hate to live. Society, you swing and miss. And honestly, I get it. Promise me you won't regret it. Wasting energy, forget it. Don't look back, go on and get it. Bite the bullet just a bit. Bite your tongue and don't say shit. Make your actions hard to miss. Be a legend, not a myth. Yeah. It's obnoxious that I'm conscious. Rapping honest as promise. Try to harness. As an artist, stay modest. It's a long quest. I will not quit till 10,000 people going off. When I drop this, I gotta make it now. Swear to God I'm breaking out. Swear to God I'll take a bow. Stand the stage with the